Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is part three of making sea glass. And by the way, Happy New Year! We're in Oregon. That's where we live in. It's snowing outside. And the Christmas tree that we use is right there. Sorry that we couldn't get really moving on the sea glass, but you know, we had stuff to do, Christmas, New Year, all of that stuff, trying to get the tree out of that thing, chopping off the limbs off for wood, shoveling off the porch, a lot of stuff. But on that note, make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna open this up. Oh, I keep on dropping stuff. Whoa, this looks cool. What? There's a little piece of glass right there. Okay, let's dump it in here. It's been like a month since we've done this. So if I forget a few steps, then let me know. It was that. Wait, there's still glass in here. Wait, oh. That's not glass.
That's ice.
What?
Feel it. It froze.
Whoa.
So where do we keep this at?
So we keep this out in the shop.
And how cold has it been recently?
It's been like 7 degrees.
7 degrees out in the shop. And so our tumbler froze.
There's still some glass in there.
A little bit in there.
I think the glass isn't really good.
We don't know. We might have gone too long, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see what's in it. Oh, I'm seeing some glass.
Mm-hmm. Need more water.
Yeah, we'll get more water. Pick that up. There you go.
This is actually a little bit heavy. Okay, we're back. Mom had to get some more water.
Stop.
More water. There's a lot of mush in it. I'm trying to get most of the mush out. Okay, now I'm gonna get all this glass, and if I need to, dip it in the water and put it on the red rag. One by one. This one looks like a clear boomerang. This one doesn't need it. Oh. This doesn't, oh. This doesn't even really look like glass anymore. Okay, so we got some of it out. The rest is in this warm water bowl. There's blue, white, all kinds of colors. And we can make instruments. Ready, set, hit the drum. Oh, yeah. So we're going to take this out. It's very warm. But not hot, like a good temperature. I like this blue one. It's like a diamond that's blue. I like this white one. Okay, so we're still working on this.
Where's the rock we put in there?
Yep.
Did it shine up?
Nope. Not really.
You don't think that's shiny?
Oh, it is, sort of.
So what do you think? Do you think making sea glass was a success or failure?
A success.
Good job. Got everything out?
No, not yet.
And those are just the little rocks we used to tumble. So, which one is your favorite?
That one, that would be easy. This.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
Why is that one your favorite?
Because I like this kind of white.
You like that white color?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
My second favorite, I would say, is this blue one.
I like the blue one. And I really like the greens. The greens are really pretty, aren't they?
Yeah, and my third favorite would be this one.
That one?
Mm-hmm. And fourth favorite, this one. And last favorite, this one.
That one.
I don't really like this one.
You don't like this one?
But I do like this green one.
The bottom of the bottle.
Mm-hmm.
It is very smooth. Okay. Do you want to show them the first thing we ever tumbled?
Yep. So we tumbled these. They turned out shiny and smooth. And then over here we have some obsidian that we found. That was like my first video that I made. This is obsidian. All of the black, red stuff is obsidian. Even this is obsidian. This is not obsidian.
But we couldn't get it to shine, so we need to put it back in the tumbler and polish it up so that
Yep.
it'll shine like these.
Yep. So all of this over here is obsidian. This is not obsidian. The obsidian is my favorite out of every single one of this.
Yeah, we just got to
Even
get it
the
to
white.
shine.
Yep. So this is the difference of all.
Yeah.
And then this is all of those.
Ever sea glass?
Yep, all of our sea glass.
So do you think we're done with our sea glass?
Yeah.
Yep. I think
This
it's
is the last episode of it.
Last episode of Sea Glass.
Mm-hmm.
Now it gets to go in a bowl.
Yep. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. I would really appreciate it. But on that note, peace out.